Hi students. So in my previous video I have talked about what is comprehension, different types of comprehension with their basic syntax. So in this video I will talk about list comprehension and set comprehension and I will show you the examples. So let's start. So what is list comprehension? So list comprehension is, as I said, a way to generate a list from an iterable. So as the example I took in my previous video, that I have a string. So string is an iterable. So let's do one thing. I will take that example and I will also show you the difference between list comprehension and set comprehension using that example. So okay, so as I said, my string equal to play with Python. So wait, this list comprehension and set comprehension, they are actually solutions, okay, way or solutions. So what is our problem? So the problem is we have an iterable, in this case a string. I want to extract the letters and I want to put those letters in a list. So this is our problem, and list comprehension is a solution. Okay, so let's see how it works. So very simple. So race will be our resultant list. This implies that you're generating a list. So letter for letter in our my string. That's all. So what it does is it traverses through all the letters of this string and it just takes the letter and puts it at the end of the list. So let's print and check. See, we have all the letters in our list. So, and as I said, I can add conditions also. So let's say I want to put only those letters which are vowels. Okay, so if letter in E, I, O, U. So let's check first. See, we only have taken the vowels. So let's match this with the syntax. So this letter is this variable, this letter is this variable, this is the for loop, this is iterable, and this is my string. My string is the iterable, and this is the where satisfies the condition. So what is the condition in this case? So it checks if letter in A, E, I, O, U. So how it goes is, it traverses through all the letters and it checks if a letter is in this string. Okay, so if I do like this, so I will get obviously the consonants. See, so that's all, and this is list comprehension. So next is set comprehension. Set comprehension is as the same as list comprehension, that I will generate a set from an iterable. And as I said, difference between list and set is set discards all the duplicate elements. So let's check that. I will take the same example. So do one thing. Let's do one thing. Take this example and just replace the square bracket with curly brace. And that's all. So what it will do is it will traverse through all the letters and it will check if the letter is in this string. So if it is true, it will not consider that letter, as I have put not here. So, and as it is set comprehension, it will also check that the letter is, if the letter is already present in the set or not. So let's check result first. So this is for list comprehension, the first one, and this is for the set comprehension. So this is my set. See, we have it has discarded all the duplicate elements, only unique elements are present. So that's all, and you can check here. So this condition is this condition, this iterable is my string. So yeah, so that's all for today. We have discussed list comprehension and set comprehension. In the next video I will start with dictionary comprehension. Bye bye.